and now you're talking about volume-based, lawyering, right? So your model versus that model, how does it get from your model to that? Is it just getting bigger and more and more and more?
It's the more and more and more, and then just getting away from seeing the law as a vocation. It's just seeing it as pure dollars, and seeing the clients just as pure dollars. And that's the only way that I think that you get to that point. Because we even heard stories, and it's been confirmed by one of my associates here. Some of these lawyers show up at mediation where there's multiple parties in the same case. So one person hits and 5 people get injured or something.
Okay.
One of the attorneys will have one of the clients in that car of 5, and then goes into other rooms and tries to steal the other attorney's clients so they could have more.
Wow. So it is like a sales kind of.
It's fucking insane.
Yeah.
That is not okay. Right.
Right.
And if one of these guys did it to me, I would make sure they are ruined. Like ruined.
Say to that camera. Right?
Yeah. I mean, fuck. It is not okay. Right.
Yeah.
Talk about ethics. Talk about, so they're just going for more. You already have this case in the other room, but you see this other one. Oh, that one's worth more. Let me try to steal it from this other attorney. Like, you've lost your mind. You shouldn't be practicing law anymore.
Right.
Like, go be a day trader. Go go into finance. Get out. You're not practicing law anymore.
Is that the worst? So of the paralegal interview stories, is that the worst thing you've heard, or is it?
That was probably the worst one I heard. And then, Kara, one of my associates, confirmed that she had that happen to her about 10 years ago with the same guy. So this guy is still doing it year after year.
So they just walk into rooms like, hey, is Scott taking care of you? Because let me tell you what I can do for you.
That is exactly right.
Oh, man.
I mean, and today it's probably going to happen less and less now because so many mediations are done by Zoom. Done by TV now, which I think is a deep disservice in mediations. But so he can't go into somebody's Zoom room,
right,
and try to steal a client. But it's insane, insane, and it just, my wife has always joked that the bar is very low to be a personal injury lawyer, right? And that's why we have such a bad name, and it's why I have almost no personal injury lawyer friends, because I'm deeply uninterested in being around them because they're not doing, it's not a vocation to them. I don't know how else to say it.